Hey everyone, welcome back to new series of Python. In today's video, we will be discussing about dictionary. So in previous video, we know we have discussed about what are data types in Python. So we know dictionary is a form of data type and it is used for storing the values in form of key value pair. And it is basically, we can say that it's an ordered collection of data and which can be changeable, as well as we can just create the duplicate value for a dictionary. And a dictionary can be easily defined using curly braces, and it has got the syntax, and you can find the syntax over here. So we can just define a variable which is equal to just a braces. So as we just give the braces, we can say that we have just defined a dictionary. Now you can see that when we just want to give any values into that, we can just provide the key, then colon, value. So if we have multiple values, then just put a comma. Later on, you can just provide the next key, then colon, then value. Again, put a comma and just continue with the same process. So that's how we just manage with the syntax of dictionary. So it's basically a simple syntax. Now let's see how can we create a dictionary. So in first step, we will be creating a dictionary which is empty. So here you can see that we are just going to create an empty dictionary. So let me give the variable name as empty dictionary for easy identification. Okay. Empty dict be the name of our dictionary, which is equal to, and we know a dictionary is defined using curly braces. Okay. Now we just need to print this dictionary, and let me say that print as empty dictionary, and let's use other print function to get the value, or you can put a comma and provide the variable name, and later on you can just rentify. And here you can see that as the dictionary doesn't contain any key values, the dictionary is defined as empty dictionary. Okay, now let's see how can we create a dictionary with keys and values. So for that you can just use a variable. So let's name it as dict1, and here we're gonna define the dictionary using the curly braces. Now we just need to give the values over here. So I'm just going to use integer. So I'll be setting it as 1, and that is the key, and put a colon over here, and we are just going to provide the value which is string. So let me use the double quotes, because we know a string is always defined in double quotes or single quotes. So you can provide your string over here, which is Cybrosys, and the next value is again a string. So let's provide it as technologies. Well said. But here something is missing. What's that? We have provided the key, we have provided the value, and there are multiple keys and multiple values. So what's the thing that is missing? Yes, we haven't put the comma. So if we don't put the comma, we will get the error over here. So as we just put the comma, you can see that the error is just vanished. So always keep in mind that you have to provide the proper syntax. So if there is any mistake in the, in the syntax, you will get the syntax error over here. Now we can just print the data. So I just need to know the value in this dictionary. So let's use a print function, and you can say that dict1, that is the variable name of dictionary. And here you can just click on run, and you can find the values in this dictionary. And there are different ways to create the dictionary. So if you just create a value in tuple and all, you can just convert that tuple into dictionary and all using the constructor dict. Now let's check the different ways to create a dictionary. So let me use the variable as dict2, and let's put a bracket over here. Before that, we have to give the assignment operator, because then only we can assign the value into this, and we can just define a dictionary inside that, and we have to provide the key values over here. So my key is just 1, put a comma, not comma, colon. Later on, you can just provide your value, which is qwerty, and we can just put a comma, and we can just provide the other value. So that is the key value will be 2 and a colon, and you can just provide the value asdfg, and here you can just print the variable name, that is the object dict2, and let's see, will we getting the dictionary itself or will be getting the other form of data. So you can just click on the run file, and here you can see that we have just successfully defined a dictionary, and we have just got the result over here. So let's find the other way to get the dictionary. So you can just use the other variable, which is dict3, and let's first define a tuple, and inside that let me use a list, and within that list let me again use a tuple. Okay, and within this I'll be defining the values. So I'm going to give the value as let's say 1 comma a, and let's put a comma, and in the other one let's say that 2 comma b, and let's print this. So let's check will we getting the dictionary or not. If we are not getting the dictionary, there is a way to convert the result from the result that we got into dictionary. So let's give dict3 over here, and here you can see that we have now got the result in list. So we just need to convert this list into dictionary. So in order to do that, you can just use a constructor dict. So here you can just put the constructor, which is dict, and now you can see the list will be converted into dictionary, and we have just successfully converted that list into dictionary. So whenever we create a dictionary, we just need to know the length of the dictionary. So we can just use the length function in order to just get the length of the dictionary. So here you can see that currently we have defined different dictionaries that can be an empty dictionary, or dict1, dict2 and dict3. So let's check the length of these dictionaries. So here you can just say that print length is a function that is used for finding the length of the object. And here you can provide the name of the object. So here I just need to know the the length of empty dictionary, and later on I want to just know the length of dict1. So let's use length function, and here you can just provide length1, and let's print length of the other dictionary. So again use the length function and provide the object name, which is dict2. Now let's rentify. So here you can see that we have just got the length of the dictionary is the empty dictionary has a length of 0 because we haven't provided any keys or values into that. And for dictionary 1, we have just got the value, the length as 2. This is because we have only 2 key value pairs over here. In case of dictionary 2 also, here we have only 2 key value pair. So if we want to just increase the length of the dictionary, again you can just use a key value pair, and you can just find that the length will be incremented over there. So let's say 3, and you can just provide the values over, the value of this, and let's rentify. And here you can see that now the length of this dictionary 2 is now just turned into 3. So isn't that cool to check the length of the dictionary? Now let's see how can we get the data items or the dictionary items. So in order to get the dictionary items, we can just use a syntax as object.get function, and inside the get function we have to pass the argument. So basically we know that the object is the data variable. So we will be providing the name of the variable. We will be using the get function. Inside the get function we can just pass the argument, that is the key of our dictionary. So let me define a dictionary over here. So let's say the dictionary name as data, which is equal to, we just need to define a dictionary. So we know we have to use the curly braces in order to use or define the dictionary. And let's say 1 colon. So 1 is my key, and it has got a value of Cybrosys. Okay, so something is missing over here. Yeah, Cybrosys file set. And you can just provide comma because we have multiple values over here. So let's say 2 is equal to ground floor. So as Cybrosys is in ground floor of the building, you can just give that over here, ground floor. And I'm not using the key 3. Instead of that, let me just use the value 4 over here. And you can just provide the value as Kinfra Techno Park, as our company is located or is in Kinfra. You can just provide that. So I'm giving Kinfra Technologies, not Green Kinfra Techno Park. Okay, well, we have missed the comma over here. So, well said. Now we just need to get the dictionary items. So in order to get the dictionary items, we know we can just use the get function. So I just need to print the dictionary items. So I'll be providing the object. So basically we know the object is a data variable, which means the variable that contains data. So here we have provided the dictionary name as data. So provide that and put a dot, which means we just need to get the values from this dictionary. That's why we are putting a dot. And here we can just use the get function. So let me use the get function here. And inside the get function, we can just pass the, we can just pass the keys. So let me pass that and print over here. So in order to print that, you can just click on the run button, and here you can see that currently we have print the value of the key 1, which is Cybrosys, and we have just gone the dictionary item. Now, what if I just print the value for 3? Okay, I just need to get the item in 3. Now, let's run the file again. As we don't have such key value pair, we will get the result as none over here. Okay, now I just need to get the value of 4. So we can also use an extra variable and define this into that, or assign this get function into that, and later on we can just print that variable and we will also get the dictionary items A. So let me use x is equal to let's say data.get. So I just need to get the value of 4 or the item of 4 in the dictionary, and let's print this. Let's print x, and you can just click on run, and here you can see that we have just got the result. The key 4 has got the value of Kinfra Technopark. That's it. Now let's see how can we just get the keys of a dictionary. So if you want to just get the keys of the dictionary, you can just use the syntax as just provide the object, and from that object we just need to get the keys. So put a dot, and later on use the key function, and you will be getting the result over here. So we have already defined dictionary here. So I'll be using the dictionary data. I just need to get the keys of data. And here you can see that we can just use a print function. And the object is data. Dot, and from this data dictionary, we just need to get the keys. So you can just use keys and you can just rentify. Oh, we have just got the result, and here it shows the dictionary keys are 1, 2, 3, not 3, 1, 2, and 4. Now we just need to get the values of this same dictionary. So if you want to get the values of the same dictionary, we can just use the object.values as the syntax. So I'll be using the print function because I just need to print the values of that dictionary, which means I only need to get the values of this dictionary, not in key value pair. Now you can just provide the object. Basically, we know object is a data variable. So you can say that data is the name of the dictionary. Put a dot in order to fetch the item or fetch the data from this dictionary. And you can provide values. Later on, you can just rentify it, and we have just got the result that the values of this dictionary is currently displayed over here. Now, the other thing that we just gonna discuss is about getting the items. So the item method is basically used in the dictionary, and this will give the result in tuple inside a list. So even if we just define a dictionary, we will be getting the result in a tuple inside the tuple that will be defined in a dictionary. So it also has got a syntax like you can just provide the name of the dictionary. From that variable, we will be just getting the items. So here you can find the syntax that is given. And now let's define a dictionary. Yeah, well said. It's a new one. So let me just give the name of the dictionary as new. And you can just use the curly braces. And well, I'll be using the value as, key as A. And you can just put the colon over here. And this has got the value 1. And let's say B has got the value 2. Okay. Now we just need to print the items. So in order to print the items, let's use a print function. And we just need to give the object. So here the object is new. Dot, you can just provide the item. And here you can find the result over here. As you just ran the file, you can see that it will be in a tuple. Along with that, the result will be given in a list. So whatever changes you are making in a dictionary, that will be reflected in this result. So let's see how can we change the value of a dictionary. Sometimes we may just give one of the value in the dictionary accidentally. But when we just print the values of that, we just came to know that we have provided the incorrect values and all. So in such cases, we just need to get a chance to change the value, right? So it is possible in Python. So now let's say that we can just define a dictionary this here. So let me define the dictionary, and the key is year. And it has got a value as 2018, and now let me print this. So as I just print, it has got some issues. What is that? We haven't given the assignment operator over here. Yeah, well said. And we just need to print the value in this. So you can just print that. So here you can see that we have just provided the year as 2018. But we know the current year is 2024. So we have just accidentally provided a wrong year over here. So I just need to change the value. So if I want to change the value over here, let me say that we can just use the syntax like we can just define the object along with to which key we just need to change the value. So here you can see the dictionary name is this year, And from there, we just need to change the value of year. So you can just provide the key. So let me say that the key is year. And we can assign the value as 2024. Now afterwards, you can again print that and you will get the result. So let me click on the print button, and here you can see that we have successfully changed the value of our dictionary. So there are other methods also in which we can just change the values of the dictionary. So we can just add the items into the dictionary by using the update method or the add method. So update method is nothing but it will update the dictionary with the items that is given from the, that takes the argument. And we can just consider a dictionary. So let me say that ABCD as the dictionary name. And yeah, let's say it has got a value of 2021. Let me say that the year, and it has got a value 2021. Well set. Later on, we just need to update the value over here as 2024 for the key year. So we can just go with the updation, like we can use this syntax as object.get, and we can just provide the key values over there. So let me just use the object, which is ABCD, that is the data variable. And you can just provide that data variable dot to this dictionary. We just need to update our value. So you can use the update method. Then inside that, define the key value. So the key is year. So you can provide the key, which is year. And provide the value that you just need to update. So we can just provide the value as 2025. Well, we just need to print now this. So you can just use the print function and print the dictionary, and you can find the difference that now the value is just updated over here and just turned into 2025 instead of 2021. Now we can also use the add method. So add method is nothing but this add an item into the dictionary, and this using a new indexing key and assigning the value into that. So I just need to add a new an item into my dictionary. So in order to do that, let me use this this syntax. Like you can just use the syntax as object.key is equal to value. So here let's consider the same dictionary, which is ABCD. So I just need to add an item into that. So I want to add the item as color into my dictionary. So let me use the object as ABCD, that is a dictionary dot, and you can just provide the key. So let's set the key as color, and I want to just add red, and here we can find an error over here. This is because we have a space there. So while set, we have set everything there, and let me print ABCD, that is the dictionary, and let me print that, and you can see an item is added over there. So there is a small mistake in the syntax that I have given over there. It's just object and you have to provide the key, and into that key you will be assigning the value. And while set, we have now added a new value or new item into our dictionary ABCD. So while set, likewise we can also remove the items from a dictionary using the pop method or pop item, or using the clear method and all. So pop method is basically used to remove the specific value of a key. So here now I just need to remove the value red from my dictionary. So here we know we have already defined the dictionary, which is ABCD. So if I want to just remove that value, I can just use this pop method. So let me say that, here, let me just go with object as ABCD. So let me remove this print function. That might create a confusion over there. Okay. So from that, I want to remove the red color. I mean color red. So here the key is color, and you can just provide that. Afterwards, what you have to do is you just need to print. So let's print ABCD, and you can see that we can just remove a specific value of a key, and we have just done that. Now we can also remove the item from a dictionary using the pop item. So the pop item will remove the latest added the item in the dictionary. So in previous version and all, it will randomly remove the items instead. But in case of, in the latest versions of the Python, it will remove the latest or the last inserted item in the dictionary. Okay, so let me consider a dictionary over here as B, and this has got the value 1, defines Q, and 2, we have to provide the comma over here. 2 gives the value as H. Okay, so these are the items in the dictionary. So I just need to remove the last added item. So let me use the way in which you can just provide object. B is the object over here, and you can just use pop item. Let me use pop item, and self. Later on, you can just use a print function and print B, and you can find the result that now we have successfully removed the last item in our dictionary. Now, if you want to remove a particular or specific key name values, then you can just use the del method or the del keyword over here. So let me define a dictionary. Let's say the dictionary is equal to C, and it has got different values. Let's say for has got the value as Q, and the other item is 5, and it has got the value R. So 4 and 5 are the key, and Q as well as R are the values over here. Now I just need to remove a specific value. So let's use the del keyword. You can say that you can just use the del keyword. Later on, provide the object. So here the object is C, that is a data variable. So we have done a small mistake. We are just forgetting to put the comma over here. So currently we have done the correction. And later on, you can just provide the name over here, which is C, that is the data variable, and provide the key. So the key is 4, and we can just print the dictionary over here and find the result that now we have only one item in our dictionary because we have just deleted one of the items from our dictionary. So likewise, we can also make a dictionary empty by using the clear method. So clear method is nothing but if we have the values in the dictionary, we can just make that dictionary empty by using this. So here we can see that we have the dictionary. See, it has got different values, but currently we have just removed or deleted one of the element from that. Now we just need to clear that dictionary or make that dictionary empty. So we can just go like the object as C over here, that is the data variable, and put a dot. Later on, you can just use a clear function or the method, and we can just print the function. Print the dictionary, not the function. And you can find that now the dictionary is cleared and everything is set to empty. And the last one that we just going to discuss is about the copying of the dictionary. So if you want to just copy the items of one dictionary to another, we can just use the copy keyword in order to copy that. So let's say, let me say that the dictionary is ghkjk, and it has got the values or the items as, let's say, 7 has got the value t, and 8 has got the value k. Now I just need to copy these items to the other one. So in order to do so, we can just use the syntax over here, which is you can just provide the object. So the object is ghk, and put a dot and use copy. So as we just need to copy the elements or the items of this dictionary into other dictionary, we have to use a variable. So we haven't provided that over here. So here you can see that, let's see, demo is equal to, and into this demo, we have to copy the items of this dictionary. And you can just print it. And here you can find the result that we have just copied the items of ghk dictionary into demo, and we have created a new dictionary over there by copying. So that's all about the management of dictionary in Python. So if you have any questions regarding this video, give the questions in the comment. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.